Hello everyone. Now, this is the second part of Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. As we have seen in the first video, age of social changes and three main ideologies: liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Industrial society and social changes. Actually, industrialization was taking place, and because of that, many social changes were also there in the society. Now, before this, we have seen the socialism took place in Russian society as well as Europe, and as socialism was there, but still liberals, conservatives, and radicals were ruling over Russia. Now, let's see the second part. It is Russian Revolution. It refers to decline of monarchy in February 1917 and led to revolutionary event in October 1917. And this picture is showing the event of that revolution here. First, we'll see the Russian Empire, how it was. Tsar Nicholas II ruled Russia along with present-day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine, and Belarus. It further stretched to present-day Central Asia, Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. Russian Orthodox Christianity, along with Catholics, Protestants, Muslims, and Buddhists, comprised the major religion there. Okay, so this is the idea about Russian Empire in 1914. Now, economy and society. How was the economy and living standard of society? This part belonged to that. Most of the Russian population, here you can see about 85% was agriculturist. Industries were being set up, which was mostly private property of industrialists. Workers were divided into groups, but they did unite to strike work when they were dissatisfied. Peasants had no respect for nobility. Very unlike the French peasants, Russian peasants were the only peasant community which pooled their land and their commune divided it. It was the idea related to socialism, where Russian peasants made commune and the land was divided equally among the peasants, and they worked on that land to produce the agricultural products. Now these two pictures are showing the idea about the commune and the living standard and lifestyle of the Russian people that time. The first picture belonged to children commune in Ukraine. It was the part of Russia. And in the second picture you can see the living condition of Russian in that period. Now, socialism in Russia. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. The Russian Socialist Democratic Labour Party was formed in 1898. It struggled to give peasants their rights over land that belonged to nobles, as land was divided among peasants periodically, which makes them natural socialists, and it was felt that peasants and not workers would be the main source of the revolution. But Lenin did not agree with this, as he felt that peasants were not one social group. The party was divided into Bolsheviks and Mensheviks. Okay, it is about the Socialist Democratic Labour Party. As it was formed in 1898, it struggled to give peasants their rights over land that belonged to nobles. Okay, as we have seen. That time, most of the land was in the hand of nobles, and peasants were forced to work for them. But this Socialist Democratic Labour Party started struggling for the rights of peasants there. But Lenin was not agree with that party, the ideology of that party. And what was his idea? It was that peasants were not one of the social group, and because of the difference in the ideology of that party and Lenin, the party divided into two parts as Bolsheviks and Mensheviks.